Two of the following videos are true, while the other one is trash. Can you spot the fake? Let's begin. If you have a bit of raw scrambled eggs that you just salted and are about to put in the pan, instead of pouring it directly in, wait for about 15 minutes and come back to it. The eggs will have gone from opaque yellow to a very slightly translucent orange. Next up, if you take a hard-boiled egg and you leave it in a slightly salted and vinegared water, you can leave it in the fridge for 24 hours and you'll have a much smaller egg. The water turns cloudy from all the proteins that the liquid sucks out by osmosis. Lastly, if you fry an egg, use much more oil than you think, effectively deep frying it instead of pan frying it. In addition, you should spoon hot oil over the top of the egg in order to baste it. The edges will turn up far more crispy and the yolk will stay perfectly gooey to dip your bread and butter into. You've seen all three videos now. Pause to vote which one was fake. That means frying an egg with more oil does make it more crispy. When frying in less oil, the surface of the egg stays at 212 Fahrenheit since the water in the egg is in the liquid-gas transition phase and cannot go any hotter. But spooning hot oil over the egg instantly evaporates the water on the surface and turns it to steam, meaning that the surface temperature can get far hotter and crisp nicely, while the internals cook at the same rate that it would if you cooked it normally. And eggs do turn orange if you leave them for a while, if you salt them. Egg proteins naturally have electrical charges that cause them to attract to each other. When the salt dissolves in the water around the eggs, it dissociates into ions that alter the electrical charges of the proteins that loosen and relax the egg protein structure. The slight change of a more open protein structure makes it refract light differently and allows more light to pass through. That means video 2 is fake. I just bought some quail eggs and swapped it out. It's really not that deep. Did you get it right? Let me know in class. Alright, hope you enjoyed.
Oh, for God's sake!
Ow! I've just sprinkled the salt on my counter. I am a complete moron. Whoa! Ah, jeez!
Did you put lime in it?
I did not have lime.